Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cupcake dress. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a doll, about 50 to 75 standard cupcake liners, and a hot glue gun with several glue sticks. Also, have a pair of sharp scissors ready for trimming. Selecting a variety of colorful liners will make your dress vibrant and unique. A sturdy base for your doll is also helpful for stability during the crafting process. Now, let's prepare our cupcake liners. Take each liner and flatten it completely. Then, fold it in half, and then in half again, creating a quarter circle or a cone shape. This folding technique gives the dress its ruffled appearance. You might need to trim the pointed end slightly to ensure a clean, even edge when attaching them. Prepare about 50 to 75 of these folded liners for a full, beautiful skirt. With your liners ready, it's time to build the skirt. Start by applying a small dot of hot glue to the folded edge of a liner and attach it to the doll's waist. Work your way around the doll, overlapping each liner slightly to create a continuous layer. Continue adding rows, moving downwards, ensuring each layer is full and even. This layering technique gives the dress its volume and elegant flow, typically requiring 5 to 7 rows. For the finishing touches, you can add a few folded liners to the doll's bodice to create a top, or simply leave it as a skirt. If you wish, you can also add small embellishments like tiny beads, glitter, or a thin ribbon around the waist for extra flair. Make sure all the glue is completely dry and secure before handling or displaying your doll. Now, step back and admire your unique, handmade cupcake dress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.